What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Young K, back with another basketball GM video rebuild. I'm just gonna do another random team. I'll make it the title, and let's go. Okay, every video I'm probably gonna have to upload. All right, I finally got the new rosters in, and we did the Houston Rockets last video. I can do the Bucks. Let's do the Bucks. We can do hard this time. Okay. Just after the draft. Let's go ahead and auto sort it. We sign players with expiring contracts. I'm gonna be honest. We'll re-sign these two. I'll just keep it pushing. Don't know who would not want to sign with this team. I can't really sign anybody. Ian Mahinmi. Damn, my roster's full. So we're probably just gonna have to skip through free agency. And this is another 1-year rebuild. Only reason I really do 1-year rebuilds is my screen recorder. It only has a 15. I can only make 15-minute videos every time. So I try not to rush the videos, but like last video at the end, I stopped it, let it sink through, and then seeing if we got to the playoffs, and we didn't. So it was like either way, I was gonna end up stopping the video. Okay, let's check out, do some quick trades if I feel like I want to, which I feel like I want to, even though we still got Dante DiVincenzo. We still got, we got Drew Holiday now. Giannis. Alright, let's make some quick trades to make the team better. Trading block. I'm gonna go Pat Connaughton, first round pick, second round pick. Take our assets, flip them. Let's see. Nothing really good so far. Maybe I could throw in another piece. Actually, I like this trade. Get a man like Dennis Schroeder. Just get somebody who can really. Oh. Okay. Bam. We just made our team like 2 times better. Hit the trade block again, Get assets. And we flip them, in the words of King in the fourth quarter, Kenny. Hopefully one day I'll get to meet Kenny. Big inspiration for my YouTube channel is Kenny. If I can get this trade off somehow, there's no way I'm gonna get this trade off. I actually wanna. Maybe we need something better from this team. Maybe bam, 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 bam. Oh, fuck. You know what? I'm gonna go out here and put my own trade together. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. I got Rondo and Chris Dunn, which means I got a lot of cards, which I'm just going to get the assets. Probably just going to take Chris Dunn and flip him for somebody like... Kinda, I just need a big man. I'll be right back. I'm gonna set up a trade for a big man. Alright, so we're back. We traded for Daniel Gafford, who is gonna be a good center to come off the bench. And pretty much I'm liking the team so far. Rondo. Oh shit, when did we get Brook Lopez? Oh, we've been Brook, he's our center. Alright. Hold on, I was about to say. So, pretty solid bench. Daniel Gafford. You know, what a negative, so they'll still have a little bit of playing time. Just not a lot, like the last minutes of a game. Which I feel like as soon as we start the season, there's some good playing time. Hopefully Giannis overdoes it, you know. Because we brought him some pieces, like Rondo and Dennis Schroeder off the bench together, which is going to be nice. Brought back Wesley, DJ, and then the Sim to the regular season. Sim to the halfway point. Let's see. Oh, hopefully make it to the playoffs, because I feel like I'm going to lose again. You know, we're going to stop the Sim. It's not right now. We're looking like we're not about to make the playoffs. You know what? We're going to do something drastic. We're going to trade Drew Holiday and Dante DiVincenzo. No. Dante Rondo. Oh my gosh. And just bring freaking Dennis Schroeder off the bench because he's putting up 16 off the bench. Yo, if we can find maybe we just take Aaron Gordon out. And Markel. What's just Markel? We don't want to give up Dennis Schroeder. How much? Bam. Oh, dear. Yeah, we ain't got enough to do it. Let's see, Rajon Rondo and Dante D. About that, and Marco Fultz. Then we throw in Chandler Hudson, Daniel Gafford. I like it. Maybe get Cole Anthony in a way. That would definitely not work. Play some trade. I'm feeling like we Drew, Dante DiVincenzo are not doing as good as I expected for them to do, and boom. It's a trade that should put our team over the top. Maybe Brook Lopez. Let's hit Brook Lopez with that boot and Jacopoto with the boot. I'm actually a fan of Patrick Williams, but I'm not going to take him in this video. Maybe we'll do a trade. The next video might be a rebuild around Patrick Williams. You know what? I think we did enough. Okay, so Jacopoto. It's the lineup we're running. Just leave lineup. I feel like it's gonna do what it's gotta do. Within a shorter. So trade deadline, which is 17 days. Hopefully he does his things. Dang, what is... And we're losing close games. So maybe, hold on. Daniel Gafford's kind of underachieving, so maybe, the DeJounte Wesley type trade. Doing a Daniel Gafford. Aaron Gordon, I don't know about that one. Karis Levert. You know what? Throw in. Let's see this contract. Maybe get Nikola Jokic. I meant Nikola Vucevic before I fuck up and say. And I think. Boom. And y'all not getting Giannis. That's dead. But what about just Mo? Take the DeJounte out. Take these guys out. What about just Rondo? And boom. Throw on Wesley. Should put them over a little bit. Boom. What can make this work? No, because I don't want to do another video when not making the playoffs. Don't know how we're not going to make the playoffs. You know what? We'll go straight to the playoffs. I don't think we're going to make the playoffs again because we're got some injuries. And for the third straight video in a row, come on, we can't be doing this. Can't be doing this. No, let's go see. At least let's see who. Okay, Portland. No, I'm going for the Lakers. That's my next video. Lakers rebuild. No, Clippers rebuild. Because Clippers got beat in the first round. Lakers? Portland versus Lakers? Again? Ooh, Portland versus Boston. We'll go game by game. 1, 2. Ooh, Boston comes back. Up 1. Dang. They blow it. And for the third straight time video, we didn't make the playoffs. Dang. Well, that's the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe if y'all want more of these videos or more videos in general. Deuces.